have to stay like this.
Just a few more minutes. Okay, it's done. Well, here's another short today, because basically, woohoo, I'm so happy today. I'm so happy. I love doing backflips. It's so exciting to do everything today, and it's a short also.
Yay! Oh, yeah, that's basically. Ooh, the sink. I love the sink. I'm gonna sit on top of the coffee.
Well, I don't know what to do today. I'm basically just walking. And doing a lot of stuff at the same time. And me, Mario, I'm just going to eat chips. Oh! Hi, I'm Mickey Mouse. I'm going to look in the refrigerator. Oh, no, not the refrigerator, the microwave. I'm just dancing around. Well, okay, so let me see. Come on, purple. I mean, blue. Why do I keep calling you purple?
I don't know. What are you doing? Huh?
This is for eating my pancakes this morning. And shut it.
No! It's cold in here!
Don't care. Well, this has been Nicky Mario One Short. See you next episode.